Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We're in Albufeira and we're going to take a walk down and around the marina, so let's see Wagwan. You guys all know the vibe. So we have been here a couple of times, we just want to update for everyone at home, so if you are coming out this year, we can see if anything's changed. I would recommend coming down here, it is a really nice day out. We've never actually done a night out here, but it obviously does have restaurants and bars and stuff, so do comment below if you have stayed here and done nights out. So you've got all your excursions. If you are getting a boat trip or anything, you're most likely going to end up here anyway. So this is where you can get all of them. Really nice day today as well. From where we're staying, it was about a 15-minute walk. So yeah, not bad. It's quite a good location where we are, quite close to Old Town and this area. So you can go and watch like the dolphins, there's go-karting, all your sort of luxury boats if you want to be a little bit more fancy, go and see the caves, and then you can do your like parasailing and a bit more of like the active stuff. If you want to be chucked off a boat, then they've got everything here. Canoeing as well.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you. So quickly just check out a couple of boats that are in.
Look at what you've got here.
So a lot of the boats are already out.
Yeah, it's just sort of gone lunchtime, so everyone's either gone out and they'll be coming back sort of early evening. And then you've got obviously the gorgeous decorations of the houses, which look really like an 80s sitcom. But yeah, definitely worth having a little look and coming and sitting. And really nice for families as well. Oh, a low hanging tree. So I don't know if you guys can see over there, there's like a little area where they can have like go-karts and trikes and stuff for little ones. So if you are coming with young kids, this is a really nice little area to bring them. Nice day out at the marina. But we're going to do an update on the drinks as well, because the drinks weren't too badly priced the last time we came, but obviously it's been a year, so let's update it for everyone. What's that one for? Lock and leisure. Okay, so somewhere you can put your stuff. Rent your locker here. Okay. So yeah, I guess if you're like your last day and you've got a late flight, you want to do an excursion, there's somewhere to put your stuff. That's really useful. Let me know if anyone has used this. Is it sort of good? Let's have a look at the prices. Short trip £3.99, 4 hours £5.99. There you go. You've got a full day locker for £8.99.
They look, I don't think they look very big.
No, I think this is more hand luggage, isn't it? This isn't if you've got like your suitcases and stuff.
No. So this is where you can hire the kids' stuff to play on. So if you want segways, little quads, they just come here. They just play around here. See the guy there? Just have a little play.
There's an arcade inside there as well. I think it's got 10-pin bowling.
So here you can get your parasailing, I think, as well.
And then you got your little restaurants. So all along here, so you got like your restaurants and bars. So we'll do a little price check. Again, the full season doesn't start until the 1st of April, so some of these places might not be fully open, but it does look pretty open to me. There's only a few places that look like they're closed. So you've got dive centre there as well, so if you do want to learn how to dive.
Yes, also we have a happy hour here.
Something that me and Kurt do definitely want to
How are
do.
you?
This is the best restaurant because you know why? A live kitchen here and we have a professional chef with a good food over here. Black pork, we have a cod fish and Portuguese food. This is for 2 persons, sea bass and octopus. And also guys, this is Ram and I am saying you in Marina people give you 5%, 10% discount. We give, if you don't like food, no need to pay anything.
That's good.
And also on drink, we have a happy hour.
Oh wow,
And
yeah.
sit for the drinks as well. Best food.
That's very good.
Very
$2.50 for a
good.
large beer.
Yes, sir.
It's
It's
very
a
good.
green large beer.
I know, green as well.
Green large beer. It's an ingredient of Dubai.
Oh, nice. We will try.
Yeah.
Try some.
Yeah, we will try.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Very much.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you. There you go, guys. Let us know if you've eaten in that restaurant. Again, the backdrop is lovely.
Yeah.
Which one did we go into for drinks? I think it was that one.
Irish one down
It was
the
the
bottom.
Irish one further down, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this
it's lemon.
one we got dish of the day, €22.
Closer.
Got like salads and stuff and no pancakes. All looks very healthy. It's got a very lemon vibe to it, hasn't it? Lemon drops.
Yeah.
There you go, happy hour tequila sunrise, €7. This one's slightly cheaper, so you've got the large Super Bock, if you're a fan of Super Bock, $2.90. And then again, it's got the sort of meats.
We're okay. We're going to come back though.
Yeah, we're
Thank
going to
you.
do a walk.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Everybody
yeah.
wants you to come in.
It's quite nice that you can either sit inside and then you've got these areas out here if you want to be sort of like actually watching the marina and in the sun.
So up here in the Irish pub, you've got a snooker hall at the top.
Oh yeah, really big, isn't it?
So yeah, this one's got a snooker hall at the top. It's really good. We go in it quite a lot.
Yeah.
This is normally where we come for a beer.
So yeah, this
But
is Irish pub
Might
Jacks.
go back. Might go back and try the green beer.
Yeah, tempting, isn't it? The
Very
Dubai
much.
beer.
Was it a Dubai beer? Is that what we said?
Yeah, that's what he said.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi, we're good, thank you.
Jamaican sensation, really. Jamaican sensation, Caribbean dream, Mexican cross, tropical breeze, wind, fantastic blueberry brush.
Great smoothie choices.
Great smoothie choices.
Thank you.
And you do your food as well.
Thank
Thank you. Okay, there's another arcade as well. So again, that's 2 arcades in the space of like a 5-minute walk. So yeah, really good if you do want your entertainment.
I just want to let the kids go.
Yeah,
Because
you
you can
can
just
sit
be.
here.
Look, yeah, the kids can play there.
Little sort of fairground.
And all of them got bars, so you know, if you want to chill out at a bar.
You got
We've actually got a
bumper
video.
cars as well.
We've actually got a video of us actually inside here. We've checked all the way out, so check out the other video. But yeah, you got the bumper cars. It says closed at the moment. So here you got wine and sushi,
Yeah, nice.
Japanese food.
This one's got quite good reviews, if I remember correctly, from the last time we was here.
Yeah.
I was going to check this one out.
Yeah, that's it.
Ah,
Thank you, thank you,
Channel, I'll subscribe.
thank
oh,
you.
thank you. Cheers.
So yeah,
So that
that's
was
Doc.
Doc's.
Yeah.
Doc cocktails. And then we've got this one here, and then the Fat Cats,
Yeah.
which is another fun pub. So again, yeah, like really entertaining down here.
Got plenty. But if you're staying, I think you can rent these out. Like these
Yeah.
are holiday lets, some of these. So it's really good. You've got all this right on the doorstep. And it was, I mean, if maybe going back it's going to take 20-25 minutes, a little bit uphill, then downhill, but it's a 25-minute walk.
Yeah,
A bit like
and a
walking
nice
from
sun, yeah.
Cristianos to Americas. Doesn't take too long, and it's a nice walk. And right now, that sun, check that sun out. It's beating down on us hard. It's really warm.
Got a
Beautiful
Fresh and
day.
Fit bar, so again, I think it's nice smoothies.
Yeah, very nice. And you've got a spa at the end.
Yeah,
Like I
with a
said,
little outside area.
you can hire these out. And I'll show you on the left, they've got these barge boats. I'm going to show you from over here. So you can hire these as well and stay right here. Obviously it'd be great if you could drive them off, but I don't think you can. But yeah, these are really cool. And look, they've got the top. Look at the girl there in the old
Yeah.
hammock, just enjoying herself. But
Yeah,
yeah.
really nice.
So yeah, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, it really does help push the content. Really do appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next one.